I'm up here at the gate to entering the swamp, the bottomland area of the Upper Delta Wildlife Management Area. I'm going to zoom in a little bit. That is the gate to where it drops down into the swamp on the Upper Delta Wildlife Management Area, Zone A. You can see the water's high there. This is a rarity though. You don't often see this. This water right here is probably about 100 yards, begins about 100 yards before the gate. And it has flooded this entire pine woods. And that is water that has come out of French's Lake, I believe. French's Lake is up there to the north. And this water has overflowed French's Lake. The river water overflowed French's Lake, came through these piney woods, and is across the road here. Like I said, it begins about 100 yards from the gate. That's the gate on the Upper Delta. That's about 100 yards. Zoom in here a little bit. And off in there is the gate to the Upper Delta Management Area, where it drops down into the swamp. You probably could just barely see it out there. So, Mobile River, this is Wednesday, April 16th. Mobile River was supposed to crest today at 13.2. Alabama River was over 50. Tombigbee was over 42, something like that. They're both falling a little bit, but all that water is just now reaching the Mobile-Tensaw Delta. And what you're looking at here is where it's run out of French's Lake. French's Lake is probably 400, 500 yards over there, maybe a quarter of a mile to the north right there. And this water is actually overflowed out of French's Lake, come through this little low area in these piney woods, and is across the road right here. This is the main road leading into the Upper Delta Wildlife Management Area. That's a lot of water, folks.